afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, as always, go follow me over on Instagram at Austin04_Z71. And reason being is because today we're going to be going over what all I have planned upcoming for the Duramax, as well as if you follow me over there, if you follow the Cateye build, you stay up to date on that because we're going to be tearing into that soon. But today's video is all about the Duramax. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, for those of you that missed the reveal video or you're new to the channel or whatever, just recently got this. Tomorrow makes 2 weeks that I've owned this truck. This is a 2011 LML Duramax 2500, and it's crew cab, big old heavy truck. So it's not, you know, like we're building a race truck here or anything. Now, what I want to go over is what's already done to it, and I've already gone. I'm just going to roll through these because there's already done a video on the reveal and what all's done to it, but I want to mention it before we start talking about what I'm going to do, because if I don't mention it, everyone's going to be dropping in the comments section what's already done to it and that I need to do to it, and we don't need to because it's already done. So things that are done: S&B Cold Air Intake, 5-inch straight pipe exhaust, FASS lift pump, EGR Delete, the tune, EFI Live Tunes. It's got the Edge CTS2 screen on the inside. It is leveled. It's the 2.5. It's got tubular upper control arms. Shocks don't really matter, but it's adjustable shocks on all 4 corners, and that's about it. I think that about covers it as far as performance wise what's done to it. So let's get talking about what I want to do to it. So what I'm going to start with is the cosmetic stuff, and then I'll go into the performance stuff. So let's get started on what all I want to do to it cosmetically. So if you're a subscriber here on the channel, you know I color match everything. I'm all about painting it the same color as the truck, this, that, and the other. Now, the Duramax is going to go a different route than the Cateye did. The chrome is going to get color matched on this truck. So the bumper, the grille, I'm pretty sure I'm going to leave this lower valence. I may take the air dam off, but I'm going to leave this black. And if I decide I don't like it, I can always repaint it. But we're going to leave that black for now. So white. I might get a new grill and do the little chrome honeycomb because that looks really good. But I may still just stick with the black. It's just going to depend. The mirrors, hope to do Boost Auto Parts mirrors. Get rid of these. So the plan for that, so I can get the switchbacks in them with the, you know, that LED strip. It looks so cool. And what I'll do is I'm going to leave the mount and the arms black, paint the 2 caps white on those mirrors. So you would still have, the majority of the mirror will be black, but you'll have the top and the bottom in white. Now, of course, the door handles are already color matched. This is an LTZ. And back here in the back, I'm going to leave all the black trim because it looks good. And I want to do the chrome in white. So it would just be the chrome piece. I got to, you know, we're not, obviously you can't paint over the sensor, so we'll pull that out. And just do the chrome in white. And the tailgate, debadged, no bow tie, no Silverado, no LTZ. And the same is probably going to go for the bedside too. Get rid of the Z71 decal. And speaking of the bedside, it's got some rough spots on it. I mean, it's got a lot of scratches and chips. And, you know, this guard is discolored, and actually you guys can't see it, but me being, you know, messing with automotive finishes and all that, this bed has been painted before, and it's the wrong color. White is not just white. Everyone thinks white is white or black is black, and that's not true. This bed is a different color than the cab, and I see it, and the average person's not going to see it just driving around or whatever. But I'm going to actually take the bed off of it and get it painted, as well as the tailgate. And the tailgate's got some dings in it too, there and there, and right here on the bedside. So I'm going to take the bed off, get that all fixed up and repainted. While we're still back here on the back, tail lights probably smoked just like the Cateye did, LED, and still got to figure out what I want to do as far as the style or what I'm going to do. Now the front headlights, and I know I said that we weren't going to stay chrome, but you cannot deny when you do the clear side marker lens on these headlights, it's so much better. So that's what we're going to do. Get the all chrome inside headlights for this thing and get rid of those 2 markers, and it'll look so much cleaner, especially since the front's going to be mainly color matched. It's really going to set it off. But that, I'd say that's about it cosmetic. Oh, wait a minute, forgot the biggest part. Wheels and tires. How could I forget? So It's on 20s and 35s right now, and those are the stock 5 spokes with 35 Toyo Open Country MTs. And you guys can run down and throw in all your comments, suggestions on the wheels or whatever, but you know, I'm gonna buy the wheels I want. It is my truck. It's probably gonna get 22 by 12 hostile sprockets, the black with the mill. It's gonna be black with 33s, not 35s. Put the front down just a little bit, just maybe 2 turns on the keys, and I'm gonna get into why we're gonna do that here in a minute. So probably going to be 305s or true 33 tire on a 22 by 12. So we're going to get the stance. It'll be a little lower, not too much. The truck already sits pretty high. And that also comes back to a performance aspect as far as the 35s being as heavy as they are, and it's not what I want to do with this truck. So that about covers it cosmetically. Let's get into the performance aspect of it. So as far as the performance aspect, now currently it does have the stock turbo. So there's a couple different ways I could go about this. Could do a compound route, a compound turbo. I don't want to do twins right now and go through the whole kit and all that, because I don't want to go that serious with it currently, because it is my daily driver. And because it is my daily driver now, I'm thinking more of the lines of a drop-in turbo. I think there's one company like Calibrated Power. There's a couple other ones that kind of rework the factory turbo and, you know, upgrade it to make more power. So that's really where I'm leaning right now, and we'll do a different intercooler and piping and all of that so we can keep our EGTs low. But I'm thinking drop-in turbo right now, and I may change my mind and do a compound. That's coming on down the road. That's a summer job for sure, to get done over the summer. And you know, once we do that, of course, everything that has to be supporting mod wise will be done. Under the hood, injectors, anything like that. As far as traction, we're definitely going to have to do track bars or ladder bars back here, and I'm not sure which of the two I'll go with, given that the truck's really not that tall. Probably just going to be track bars, not the whole ladder bar deal, because it'll just be massive down here and hanging down low, and I don't want to hit it on anything. And as far as, you know, the ladder bars and piping color and everything under the hood, because I know you guys are big into powder coating parts and all of that. Probably gonna do the powder coat blue. I think the theme's gonna be blue on this one. So the track bars will be blue, piping, which I know, probably gonna do the sensor diesel bridge pipe and all that. That already comes with their blue color or whatever. That's not gonna be that exact blue for out here, but that's what I'd like to do on this one. And that's just kind of to separate it from the look of everybody else. And I should have thrown that in on the cosmetic aspect, but I figure the track bars have to do with performance anyway, so include that in the performance part. And that probably about sums it up as far as cosmetic and performance as of right now. That's just kind of looking into the next couple months of what I plan to do to it, because what I just named off is thousands and thousands of dollars. It's not like a couple $100s to do what I just said. We're talking thousands of dollars. So that's probably as far as I'll get throughout the actual nice show season, summer, spring, fall, all of that. So you guys will definitely have to stay tuned to the videos on this truck. And another thing that also, if you want to call it stunting the growth of the Duramax, is the Cateye, because I'm not going to stop building that as well. We got to get into the engine. You guys saw the video about the low oil pressure. I'm probably going to change the cam on it, and some other different stuff on there. It needs a couple other things. It needs to be re-geared. It's a whole bunch of different stuff on that one. So some money's got to go there, some money's got to go here. And actually, speaking of the whole money aspect, I'm probably going to do something along a merch line, maybe key tags or decals or something like that, to try to get some more money coming in so we can do more to these trucks. And I'll be completely honest with you guys, I don't ever pocket a single dime of my YouTube check, ever. This entire time that I've gotten it, it has gone back into the truck, and it's sometimes times two. I put even more of my money from my other jobs in my truck on top of the YouTube money. So everything that happens on here goes right back into the trucks, and then there's a video on it, and I just keep moving on, keep moving forward. I don't ever pocket any of that money. It's not like I go on some crazy vacation with it or go on a cruise or anything like that. It just goes right back into the truck, and that's perfectly fine with me. If that's all it ever does is just continue to fuel the builds and everything like that, I'll never complain. So, you know, that's the story on the Duramax as far as cosmetic and performance modifications, as well as what's going to be coming up here. So I'll definitely listen to comments and suggestions down in the comment section below. But, you know, don't be going down there and throwing something stupid like a twin turbo kit and a full Allison, getting a built Allison and all this other. Don't go there. We're not going there right now. We're not going to make 1,000 horsepower Duramax right now. So don't go down there dreaming big. We're going to keep it kind of simple and just see what we can do with what we've got here, with just, I'm not going to say a minimal amount of money, but we're not going to spend a fortune right now. So drop your comments down below. Any questions you got, comments. You can follow me over on Instagram, like I said at the beginning of the video, at Austin04_Z71. Hit me up in the DMs over there too. I usually see those before I see the comments. And so I appreciate you guys watching. Check out the other videos on the channel. A bunch more videos coming this week, more than likely. Possibly going to be some every single day this week, if I can get them edited and pumped out. So definitely stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Take care. Have a great day.